Hello बच्चों, the question says here the RMS that is root mean square velocity of oxygen molecule at a 16 degree Celsius is 474 meter per second and RMS velocity in meter per second of a hydrogen molecule at a 127 degree Celsius will be option A 1603 meter per second, option B 1896 meter per second, option C 2230.59 meter per second, option D 2730 meter per second. For this you need to understand the key concept. The key concept is RMS, that is root mean square, RMS velocity. RMS velocity is given by the formula under square root of 3RT by M, where M is a molar mass, T is a temperature, and R is here given. R is the गैस कांस्टेंट, आर इज द गैस कांस्टेंट. बट आपको यहाँ पे रेशो लेना है, दैट इज ऑक्सीजन इज गिवन. सो VRMS for the hydrogen to the VRMS to the oxygen if I am taking, so VRMS is 3R is constant here, 3R is a constant, so VRMS is directly proportional. VRMS is directly proportional to the T and inversely proportional to the mass, हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. So you got here VRMS for the hydrogen, ऊपर अगर हाइड्रोजन लेते हैं और VRMS नीचे if you are taking oxygen, which is equal to T by M to the T by M, where T is the temperature of oxygen, M is a mass of for this is hydrogen, दिस इज फॉर द हाइड्रोजन, बिकॉज हमने न्यूमरेटर में हाइड्रोजन लिया है और डिनोमिनेटर में ऑक्सीजन लिया है. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सपांड इट, इट इज temperature of a hydrogen to the mass of hydrogen, molar mass, that is molar mass of oxygen to the temperature of oxygen, here temperature of the oxygen. So putting the values here, putting all the values, required values, you got here VH upon velocity is given hydrogen oxygen का velocity 474. Now temperature of hydrogen at 127 degree Celsius. Now see 127 degree Celsius, एक सेल्सियस में इसको हमें केल्विन में लेना चाहिए. 273 ऐड करके it will be 400 Kelvin, because ये standard formula you should put the temperature in Kelvin here. So temperature is given here, hydrogen का temperature is given 400 degree Celsius का 400 Kelvin हो जाएगा. Now this is a molar mass of oxygen here or hydrogen, this is 400 into molar mass is 16 to the 32 upon this is hydrogen का molar mass 2 and the temperature is 289, because हमने ऐड करना है 16 में 273, 16 में 273 ऐड करोगे तो it will be 289 the temperature of hydrogen. temperature of oxygen यहाँ पे ऐड किया है और temperature of hydrogen भी ऐड कर दिया है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करके. 2 ones are 2 200s are, which is going to VH is equal to 474 into 200 into 32 by 289. So calculation for this will be approximately 2230.5889 meter per second. So velocity VRMS for the hydrogen is 2230.5889. That is in the correct choice is option C. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.